Hi friends, thanks for tuning into the video. I hope you are doing great as always. And today's topics of our agenda is like goal setting. So let's understand the definition of goal. A particular aim that you have to achieve in a particular time frame is known as goal. So there are many types of goals, but there are two major types of goal I will go with. That first is long term goal and second is short term goal. So there are different methods and techniques to achieve these goals. First, I will go to explain with a short term goal and then I will jump into the long term goal. So, like a short term goal, the short term goal can be categorized into like per day goal into 3 months goals. The goal that is more than 3 months that you have to achieve, it comes under long term goal category. So, suppose you have to achieve let's take an example like 1 month goal. I have to lose a weight of 2 kg in next 1 month and like or next 30 days. So nearby daily, if I calculate, I have to nearby 66 gram. I have to reduce a per day 66 gram per day weight I have to lose to achieve a target of nearby 2 kg weight for next 30 days. So the method of solving, like personally, which I adopt to like solve a short term goal is reward and punishment method. These are like my personal favorite. I explain you to go like what we have to do into it. Suppose I have to lose a weight of 2 kg for next 30 days. If I able to achieve my goal, I will reward myself. Anything you can reward with anything, like you can give a treat to yourself, you can give a small gift to yourself, like anything. And if you suppose not able to achieve your goal, then real picture come here. Now it's time of punishment. Yes, if you're not able to achieve your goal, you have to punish yourself. So personally, you can do anything like punishing yourself. You know yourself better than me, obviously. So personally, what I do, I share my personal experience. If I like not able to achieve my goal, what I do, I stand in front of mirror and I give a tight slap on my face. Yes, and believe me, it's work very effectively. In my case, it works. You can try it on yours. So now we jump into long term goals. In a long term goals, what do you do? Like again, I hit you with an example. We have a 1 year goal. 1 year goals, like there are different methods of solving a 1 year goal. It comes under long term goal, and suppose we have a in 1 year we have 12 months. So divide that 12 months into 12 blocks and focus only on one block. That will be like one block is equals to be 1 month, and focus on only one block, that is 1 month. So like categorize your 12 month into 12 blocks and focus on present 1 month. So achieve that goal like 1 month, then 2 month, then third month. Tick, write it down and tick it mark. So this is the method of solving long term goal. Hope you like this very short video on like goal setting. If yes, give a thumbs up below and do not forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please, your like comment box is open for you, and please share it to any two. I repeat, any two WhatsApp group. The numbers of group will not at matter at all. Your sharing is matter. And also do not forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is in description, because I like my daily life updates I put over there only. Thanks for listening me so patiently and giving me your valuable time. This is Vishal signing off. Unless we meet again, respecting your parents, stay connected with your friends, and if you find any beggar in a signal, please help him out with your like anything you can give him or her. This is Vishal signing off.